going to make a self-portrait, but we're going to do it tricky because we're going to draw it on black paper and we're going to use glue to draw our line. And next week when it's dry, we will color it in with pastels. So in front of you, you have a piece of black paper that has these lines on it. I put this white paper here just so you can see it. It's a guide. That's where your eyes go, that's where your nose goes, and that's where your mouth goes. So the first thing that you should do is draw a circle where the nose goes, draw a circle where the eyes go, about the right size for your head. And you can turn that circle into an iris, which is the colored part of your eye, like the blue part or the brown part. So once you turn your eyes into that and you erase the little lines you don't need, add a little pupil, then you can go to the round circle you drew and turn that into the nose. You could erase the top of the circle so it looks like a U, and then you can draw your nostrils. Go ahead and draw your mouth. Start with the line in the middle, add a lip on the bottom, add a lip on the top. Add some eyebrows, add some hair. I'm not going to draw my ears because my hair covers them. Actually, I'll draw this ear and then it'll be tucked behind it. How's that sound? Take your eraser and get rid of the lines you don't need, like that line that shows the top of my head. And there is my self-portrait. I'm going to write my name on the back, because it's really important that it's all ready to go when it's time to glue. Now, you're going to take this glue bottle and open it part way, and you are going to trace over top of your pencil line. I'm going to open it a little bit more so it's a little bit fatter lines. And I'm going to go ahead and draw my hair. Looks pretty cool. I'll draw this strand of hair. I'll draw my jawline. I'll draw my neck, which is just about as wide as my jaw. I kind of like these extra lines for your hair, especially if you're a girl. Now, when you get to the smaller parts, it gets a little bit tricky. Like this is going to be hard to trace my nose and my lips. If this glue bottle gets sloppy, you might need to get a rag and wipe it off. We're going to open the line a little bit less. Open the bottle a little less. So that when we go to draw the small things, the line is a little bit skinnier. If you have a lot of trouble with this, you can ask the teacher for help. And hopefully she has a steadier hand than you. See, look I'm not perfect. My lips are a little bit fat. If you make a mistake, don't worry about it. But you probably should have the teacher help you with the eyes. If you drew your eyes or your lips or your nose really, really small, it's going to be very, very hard to draw them without just squirting glue everywhere. So hopefully you drew them big enough so that they look good. Whoops, there you go. Whoops, I forgot my top lip. If you make a mistake like I did, you just have to leave it. You can't change it. It'll look okay in the end. Everyone makes little mistakes. I would just suggest that you do your eyes last because then you'll be good at it so you can kind of practice on the easy things. And your teacher is going to take this and put it on the drying rack. If you pick it up or you touch it with sticky hands, you're going to ruin it. So take your time, make sure you wipe off the glue bottle and clean it off good with a baby wipe for the next person. I only have about 7 or 8 of these, so we have to share. And that's it. Good luck.